I typed a single prompt, generated this entire storyboard, and turned it into a cinematic video within minutes. Inside OpenArt's new Smart Shot feature, AI automatically created the camera angles, lighting, environments, and even the full storyboard for me. Then Seedance 2.0 animated the entire sequence with realistic cinematic motion. And honestly, I didn't expect the results to look this good. So in this video, let's test how good this workflow actually is. Let's get started. So I am in the OpenArt dashboard. And let me tell you, OpenArt is currently offering 50% off the Wonder Annual Plan for their anniversary event. So if you want to test this workflow yourself, you can check the link in the description. So now it takes you into a completely new dashboard. And right here, you can actually import up to 2 reference characters and 1 environment image. But for now, we're going to keep things simple and generate everything using only text. So for this example, let's create a cinematic shoe advertisement. I already prepared a simple prompt like this, is that you don't need super long prompt. Even short prompts work surprisingly well inside Smart Shot. After that, set the shot quality to either medium or high, depending on how detailed you want the results to be. Then go into output settings. Here, I'll set the aspect ratio to 16:9. I'll also switch the resolution to 1080p, and for duration, I'll keep it around 15 seconds. Now, before you directly hit create video, I'd strongly recommend using preview shot first. This is actually really important. Once you do that, GPT Image 2 will generate a full storyboard sheet for your scene. And honestly, this is where things start getting really impressive, because Smart Shot doesn't just generate random images, it actually plans the entire commercial. You get different camera angles, lens suggestions, movement directions, lighting references, and even a small floor plan showing how the camera moves around the product. You'll also notice that it automatically suggests cinematic focal lengths like 40mm, 50mm, 75mm, and even 100mm shots. And these details actually matter a lot because they help create that premium commercial look with shallow depth of field, detailed focus, and realistic cinematic framing. And because all of this gets planned before the animation even starts, Seedance 2.0 is able to follow the visual direction much more naturally while generating the final cinematic sequence. So now, let's click on Generate Video. And within just a few minutes, the complete product commercial is ready. It actually feels like a proper studio quality ad. You don't have to manually generate every single shot one by one. I also generated this anime-style storyboard using ChatGPT. The image quality is really high, the framing is clean, and even the text is clearly visible. So I simply uploaded the storyboard into OpenArt, added a short video prompt, and generated the sequence. Honestly, this looks way more polished than I expected. And in the same way, I also created this premium coffee commercial storyboard. And this is the final video generated from it. The cinematic feel, the camera movement, the lighting, everything comes together surprisingly well. This Smart Shot feature is genuinely impressive. You can create almost any type of cinematic video. And the best part is that it saves a huge amount of time compared to building everything manually. If you want to try it yourself, you can check out the link in the description below. This might be a good time to try it out.